What if I told you that the AI you see today, like ChatGPT or Midjourney, is just the tip of the iceberg? For decades, governments and tech giants have been working on secret AI projects that could change the world as we know it. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on 10 of these clandestine creations. Get ready, because what you're about to hear might sound like science fiction, but it's very, very real. Coming in at number 10, we have Project Maven, started by the Pentagon. This wasn't your average photo sorting app. Maven used AI to analyze massive amounts of drone footage, automatically identifying objects and people. The goal was to give soldiers a real-time advantage on the battlefield. While it sparked a huge ethical debate, with Google employees even protesting their company's involvement, it showed just how powerful AI could be in military operations. It was a wake-up call for the entire tech industry. At number 9 is a project from the world of finance, Sentient Technologies. For years, this secretive startup was building what they called the world's largest and most powerful distributed AI system. Imagine millions of AI agents, all working together across the globe, learning and evolving at an incredible speed. Their initial goal? To beat the stock market by identifying patterns humans could never see. They raised over $140 million before largely disappearing from the public eye, leaving many to wonder what they ultimately achieved. Next, at number 8, we venture into the world of intelligence with the IARPA's Janus program. Named after the two-faced Roman god, this project aimed to create AI that could recognize your face from any angle, in any lighting, even if you were trying to disguise yourself. We're talking about identifying someone from a grainy security camera video shot from a weird angle. This technology has profound implications for security and surveillance. And you can bet that its more advanced versions are being used right now, quietly, behind the scenes. Holding the number 7 spot is a project that sounds straight out of a spy movie, DARPA's Memex. Think of it as a search engine for the deep web, the hidden parts of the internet, not indexed by Google. Memex was designed to map out and search these dark corners, specifically to track illegal activities like human trafficking. It's a tool that helps law enforcement find needles in a massive hidden haystack, revealing connections and patterns that would otherwise remain invisible. It's a powerful weapon in the fight against crime, operating in the internet's shadows. At number 6, let's talk about SICK, spelled C. This is one of the oldest and longest-running AI projects in history. Starting way back in 1984. The goal of SICK is monumental, to build a massive knowledge base of common sense. All the little things we humans know withont thinking, like that you can't be in 2 places at once, or that water is wet. By teaching an AI this fundamental understanding of the world, its creators hoped to achieve a more human-like intelligence. For decades, SICK was developed in relative secrecy, but its influence on modern AI is undeniable. We're halfway through. At number 5 is a project from the UK's GCHQ, their equivalent of the NSA. Leaked documents revealed their human terrain program. This wasn't about geography, it was about mapping human behavior. The program used AI to sift through vast amounts of public data, social media posts, blog comments, forum discussions, to understand and even predict public opinion and social movements. It's like having a crystal ball for society, raising massive questions about privacy and the potential for manipulation. Slipping into the number 4 spot is a project from a company we all know, Apple. Before Siri became a household name, Apple secretly acquired a company called VocalIQ. This wasn't just another voice assistant. VocalIQ's AI was designed to have truly natural, multi-turn conversations. You wouldn't have to repeat yourself or use specific commands. The AI would understand context, learn from past interactions, and remember what you talked about earlier. While some of this tech made its way into Siri, the full potential of what VocalIQ was building is still one of Apple's best-kept secrets. Now, for our top 3. At number 3, we have Google Brain. While it's more well-known now, its early days were incredibly secretive. In 2012, one of its first major breakthroughs was an AI that taught itself to recognize cats just by watching millions of unlabeled YouTube videos. This sounds simple, but it was a revolutionary moment for machine learning. It proved that an AI could learn concepts without being explicitly taught. This foundational project, born in the secret labs of Google X, paved the way for nearly all the visual AI we see today. Our runner-up at number 2 is IBM's Project Debater. For 6 years, IBM worked in secret to build an AI that could debate complex topics with expert human debaters. Live on stage. This wasn't about just spitting out facts. The AI had to understand a topic, form a persuasive argument, listen to its opponent's points, and craft a compelling rebuttal, all in real time. When it was finally revealed, it was stunning. It showed that AI was moving beyond simple tasks and into the realm of nuanced human reasoning and communication. And now, the number 1 most secret AI project hidden for years, DARPA's PAL program, which stands for Personalized Assistant That Learns. Sound familiar? This was the project that gave birth to Siri. Long before it was an Apple product, it was a massive, ambitious military project. The goal was to create an AI assistant that could help military commanders by learning their preferences, anticipating their needs, and managing overwhelming amounts of information. It was designed to be a true cognitive partner. The project was so successful that its commercial potential was obvious, and a startup was formed which Apple later bought. The original military-grade version, however, was far more powerful than the Siri in your pocket. It's the ultimate example of a secret project that completely reshaped our daily lives. So there you have it, 10 secret AI projects that have been shaping our world from the shadows. From military intelligence to financial markets, the reach of these hidden technologies is staggering. It makes you wonder, what are they working on right now? What will be the next big revelation that changes everything? Let me know in the comments which of these projects blew your mind the most. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations into the hidden side of technology. See you in the next one.